Hello, everyone. This is Zach Miller, Administrative Director of the Six Nations Family Health Team and the Planning Section Lead for our Six Nations COVID-19 Incident Management Team. Once again, I'm filling in for your July 3rd, 2020 Six Nations COVID-19 podcast for Lori Davis Hill, who is off enjoying some much-needed vacation this week. Since our last talk this past Monday, I hope everyone has managed to stay safe and healthy. Let's begin with our wellness area. Well, here we are, almost at the weekend. I hope everyone safely enjoyed their holiday Wednesday, but as we all know, the one other thing that has been with us this week is a heat wave. So today for our wellness section, we have to make mention that the Brant County Health Unit has issued a heat wave warning for our surrounding area. In a sense of irony that ties into this heat wave warning, today, July 3rd, it is actually National Stay Out of the Sun Day. With that in mind, let's look at the tips that the Brant County Health Unit has provided to do that very thing and get through this heat wave. To reduce your risk of heat-related illness, here are a few things you can do. Avoid direct exposure to the sun. Drink lots of cool liquids, especially water. It is important to do this before you feel thirsty, as thirst is not a reliable measure of dehydration. Reschedule or plan outdoor activities during cooler parts of the day. Wear loose-fitting, light-colored clothing made of breathable fabric. Never leave people or pets inside a parked vehicle or in direct sunlight. Take a break from the heat in cool places, including a tree-shaded area or air-conditioned building, so long as you ensure you are maintaining physical distancing from others. Take cool showers or baths. Prepare meals that don't need to be cooked in an oven. Block sun out by closing curtains or blinds during the day. Shade yourself by wearing a wide-brimmed, breathable hat or using an umbrella. Stay hydrated, drink plenty of water, and avoid alcoholic beverages and caffeine. Choose cool water and coconut water and the occasional fizzy drink, as well as eat high water content foods like watermelon, grapes, cucumber, and tomatoes. If sleeping is unbearable at night, put a slightly damp towel in your bed in order to help cool you down. And finally, use a cool, cold foot bath to cool you down throughout the day. Let's now see how our numbers are coming along since Monday. Since Monday, the last 2 days saw a combined total of 302 cases reported in Ontario, which includes yesterday and the holiday Wednesday. Here at Six Nations, we have 14 positive cases of COVID-19. 13 of those recorded positives have now been forwarded to the recovered or resolved file, and one case has been recorded as deceased. We have provided testing to a total of 1,016 individuals from the community. 981 test results have been lab processed and shown to be negative. However, 16 people are still expecting the results from the lab. Currently, 15 people are in self-isolation at the moment after having spoken with Michigan Public Health. Now in our adjacent communities, for the Halton and Norfolk County, there's 444 positive cases, 271 recovered with 32 deaths. Brant County is reporting 122 positive cases, 117 of those have become resolved with 4 deaths. Hamilton Public Health has recorded 843 positive cases, 752 resolved with 44 deaths. And finally, the Toronto Public Health Unit has reported 14,468 positive cases, 12,574 of those have become resolved, with 1,100 deaths. People are now venturing out into high people traffic areas as phase 2 has begun, which allows communities and counties and regions with lowered restrictions to open shopping malls, restaurant patios, shops, stores, etc. If you're out and about, please do so responsibly and please adhere to public health guidelines. Also, make sure to monitor yourself and even those around you. Though our community and the region around us is beginning to reopen, we are still in a pandemic, and it is important to take the right precautions to protect the health of your community, your family, and yourself. The COVID-19 hotline remains open. If you have even the mildest of symptoms or think you may have contracted COVID-19, in order to clear your conscience, please call the COVID-19 hotline and book your test. The Six Nations COVID-19 Assessment Center number is 226-446-9909 or toll free at 1-855-977-7737. It is important to keep Six Nations healthy and moving forward by 1, wearing a mask in public, 2, keeping physical distancing from others outside of your social circle by staying 2 meters or 6 feet apart. 3, wash your hands frequently and limit any contact with your hands to your mouth, nose, or eyes. And finally, clean high-touch areas often. Wear a mask to protect me from you and you from me. Let's think of a mask as an add-on to your business attire before heading to the office. Watch Healthy 6NA and Six Nations Matter for online virtual Zoom programming being announced. If you would like to connect with the Six Nations Mobile Crisis Service, you can do so by phone at 866-445-2204. That's 866-445-2204 or 519-445-2204. Available 24/7. By text Monday to Friday, 8:30 to 4 at 226-777-9480. That's by text Monday to Friday, 8:30 to 4 at 226-777-9480. Or by live chat Monday to Friday, 8:30 to 4, found on the Six Nations Covid-19.ca website. Remember, for our frontline workers here on Six Nations and around the world, please stay home for them. Please stay home for all of us. Stay well and stay safe, Six Nations. Niawa, thank you. This is your guest host, Zach, and watch for Lori back on Monday with more guests, more wellness tips, more numbers. It's been a pleasure, everyone. Enjoy your weekend.